Hello and good morning all the students. So we are back here again with one more new video. So in this video I'm going to show you the mechanism for the Dawes process. That means the conversion of chlorobenzene to the phenol can take place with a number of steps, right? So it is not a single step reaction, it involves a number of steps in this. So we are going to see the clear mechanism for this reaction. So you can note it down. Dawes process mechanism. See, in your textbook the mechanism is not given. See, mechanism is not asked in the exam, but for the clear conceptual understanding you all should know the mechanism of the reaction. If you understand the mechanism properly, then only you will be able to understand the particular reaction, right? Okay, because see why mechanism is important. It will help you in your CET exams, right, as well as in your NEET exam. So that is why the mechanism understanding is very important. So let's see the mechanism. So we know that the chlorobenzene is converted into a phenol, but how it is converted? See, this is chlorobenzene. I will put the bonds. This is chlorobenzene, right? So in this particular chlorobenzene you can see there is a hydrogen atom attached to this particular each carbon. We all know what is the structure of the benzene, right? So here only we have replaced the hydrogen with the chlorine. Rest all we can see the carbon is attached to the hydrogen. Carbon is attached to the hydrogen. Carbon is attached to the hydrogen, right? So in all the cases you can see such kind of a arrangement, right? But only in this case the carbon atom is attached with the chlorine, so it becomes the chlorobenzene, right? So what happens here? This particular benzene reacts with the NaOH, right? It reacts with the alkali NaOH. So this OH minus, this is a negatively charged particle. OH minus, it acts as the nucleophile, right? So what will happen? This nucleophile will donate the electron to this H, hydrogen of this carbon, right? And as this hydrogen is acidic in a nature, right? So this hydrogen will get combined with this OH and it will get eliminated as the H2O, right? So it will take away its electron and it will go. So what will happen in the next step? You can see in the next step, this is the benzene ring, then this is the bond, and this is the chlorine atom, and the negative charge will come on this particular structure, right? So on this particular structure you can see here the negative charge will come, right? Okay, now this negative charge will undergo the resonance, right? Agar ye resonance jayega to kya hoga? Chlorine will take away its electron, right? Then in the next step you can see such kind of a arrangement is formed. इसका स्ट्रक्चर कुछ ऐसे होगा. See, the triple bond is formed in the benzene. Whenever a triple bond is formed, and here the plus charge will be there, triple bond is formed in the benzene, the such kind of a molecule will be called as the benzyne. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Benzyne बोलेंगे, right? Now to this benzyne, this is highly unstable in a nature. This is highly unstable in a nature, and it is a very short-lived species, right? Okay, now what will happen? We have a one more mole of a NaOH. The second unit of a NaOH will attack now. Then this will get shifted over here, right? And this OH minus, see, OH minus from this NaOH will attack on this प्लस चार्ज. OH के पास क्या होता है? माइनस चार्ज होता है. सो माइनस विल अटैक दिस प्लस एंड यू विल गेट द स्ट्रक्चर लाइक दिस. सी, OH, राइट, एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज. अगर ये वापस यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होगा तो क्या होगा? यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गया, देखो, right? So what will happen now? Is the phenol formed? No, we have to stabilize this negative charge. This negative charge is not stabilized yet, right? So what we are going to do here, the rearrangement is possible. That means the proton transfer is possible, right? So here this hydrogen will get attached or come back to its original position, right? So we can say proton transfer. Proton transfer is taking place, right? So in this case, the molecule formed is like this. Sodium phenoxide is formed, right? And this oxygen contains the negative charge, sodium contains the positive charge. क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने देखा था एक OH minus भी है, one more Na plus is also there. So now this Na plus will attack on this oxygen negative charge and sodium contains the positive charge, right? Okay, now it is very simple. We got a sodium phenoxide. To this sodium phenoxide, here now acidification take place and we'll get the phenol. OH plus NaCl will be eliminated in the reaction, right? So I hope that you have understood the mechanism of the reaction. See, I will explain it once again. This is the carbon and hydrogen, right? So first what will happen, the NaOH, the first mole of NaOH will OH minus of the NaOH will attack on this particular hydrogen and it will remove this hydrogen and minus H2O will be eliminated. Negative charge will come here. This negative charge will undergo the resonance. Cl minus will be eliminated. See, triple bond is formed and positive charge on this carbon is formed. Now this triple bond is highly stable. The name of the compound is benzene and this will get into a resonance back again. Then this kind of a compound is formed where one more mole of a NaOH will attack. The OH minus will get attached to this positive carbon and it will form the OH minus, right? So here in this case you can see the hydrogen transfer or the proton transfer will take place and again phenoxide ion is formed. On this phenoxide ion sodium will attack, which is Na plus. देन सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड इज फॉर्म. पहले क्या होता है, फिनॉक्साइड आयन फॉर्म होता है, उसके बाद में सोडियम अटैक करने के बाद में सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड फॉर्म होगा एंड टू दिस सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड व्हेन वी डू द एसिडिफिकेशन इट विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ फिनॉल, राइट? सो आई होप दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द mechanism of the reaction. Okay.